Susie fell asleep in my lap. And you can hear him whistling through his nose. If you're lucky, you'll be able to hear him snore. But he's whistling. Oh, he did. Snore, Sue.